Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best dent repair kits on the market for this year. Discover the top 5 dent removal kits that will make those dents vanish like magic. From paintless dent repair tools to slide hammers and golden lifters, these kits have it all. We are going to show you our 5 selections and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. FLY 5D Car Body Paintless Repair Removal Tools. If you're tired of unsightly dents and dings marring the beauty of your car, the FLY 5D 74 PCS Car Body Paintless Repair Removal Tools are here to save the day. This comprehensive kit is a true lifesaver for any car owner dealing with hail damage, door dings, and other minor dents. With 74 pieces at your disposal, you'll have everything you need to restore your car's pristine appearance without the need for costly professional repairs. The kit includes an array of specialized tools designed to tackle various dent sizes and shapes. The slide hammer and glue puller effectively handle larger dents, while the automotive door ding dent repair starter kit deals with smaller imperfections. Thanks to the paintless repair technique, you won't have to deal with messy paint jobs or color mismatches, ensuring your car retains its original finish. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or a DE repair novice, the FLY 5D Car Body Repair Kit is user-friendly and easy to use. The tools are ergonomically designed for comfortable handling, and the detailed instructions guide you through the dent removal process step by step. Plus, the durable construction ensures that these tools will be reliable companions for many repairs to come. Number 2. Super Auto Car Body Paintless Dent Repair. Say goodbye to those frustrating dents that ruin the aesthetics of your beloved automobile, washing machine, or refrigerator. The Super PDR 69 PCS Paintless Dent Repair Removal Tools Kit is a must-have for every DE enthusiast who wants to restore the pristine look of their possessions effortlessly. This versatile kit is suitable for a wide range of dent sizes, boasting a whopping 69 pieces to tackle 98% of common dents. The set includes everything you need for seamless dent removal. From car dent puller tools to specialized accessories, Super PDR has you covered. The dent repair process is made easy and efficient, allowing you to avoid the hassle and cost of traditional dent repair methods. What makes this kit stand out is its compatibility with various surfaces, be it your car's body, washing machine, or refrigerator. You won't need separate kits for each, this one does it all. The tools are designed with precision and durability in mind, ensuring they won't let you down when you need them the most. Number 3. Zeusfire Paintless Dent Removal Kit. For those persistent dents that seem impossible to remove, the Zeusfire Dent Puller Kit is a game changer. With 97 precision-engineered pieces, this paintless dent removal kit equips you to handle various dent sizes and complexities, giving your car that flawless appearance you've always wanted. The kit features a double-pole bridge puller and a slide hammer T-bar dent puller, providing you with versatile dent removal options. No dent stands a chance against a powerful golden lifter, and the suction cup ensures an extra strong grip for efficient dent pulling. The included glue gun simplifies the process further, making dent repairs a breeze. Designed with both professionals and DE enthusiasts in mind, Zeusfire's Dent Puller Kit is user-friendly and suitable for beginners. The step-by-step instructions guide you through the entire process, allowing you to achieve professional quality results without breaking a sweat. Number 4. Road Give Auto Body Paintless Dent Repair Tool Kit. If you require a comprehensive dent repair solution that guarantees impressive results, look no further than the Road Give 97 PCS Auto Body Dent Repair Tool Kit. With 97 pieces that include a golden lifter, slide hammer T-bar dent puller, bridge puller, suction cup, and glue gun, this kit has all the tools you need to restore your car's exterior to its former glory. The paintless dent repair technique used in this kit ensures that you won't have to deal with messy paint jobs or color mismatches, keeping your car's original finish intact. Whether it's a small door ding or hail damage, the Road Give Dent Repair Tool Kit is up to the task. The tools are expertly crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring their durability and reliability over multiple uses. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DE enthusiast, this kit's ergonomic design and user-friendly instructions make dent repair a straightforward and stress-free process. Number 5. Mori Auto Paintless Dent Repair Kit. Bid farewell to those annoying dents and dings with the Mori Dent Puller Kit. Designed to tackle car dent removal, auto body repairs, hail damage, and door dings, this adjustable dent remover is a versatile addition to your DE toolkit. Whether you're dealing with minor dents or more significant damage, this kit has you covered. The highlight of this dent puller kit is its adjustability, allowing you to fine-tune the tool to match the dent size and shape accurately. This feature ensures you get optimal pulling power, resulting in smoother and more efficient dent removal. The Mori Dent Puller's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making it suitable for DE enthusiasts of all skill levels. You won't need to break the bank for professional dent repairs when you have this user-friendly and effective kit at your disposal. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.